Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to reset Hyundai Elantra service light. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Press the trip button until the odometer shows total miles. Then press and hold the reset button while turning the ignition off and back to on until the service light flashes and goes out. If your model differs, try the same steps with the trip and reset controls on the dash. If the service light stays on after the reset, start with simple checks and stay calm. Verify the battery has enough charge and inspect fuses for obvious issues. If your dashboard shows other warning symbols, consult the owner manual for model-specific prompts. Persistent illumination usually means the issue needs attention, so plan a diagnostic scan or visit a technician to find and know when to stop DIY and get professional help for your Elantra. If the service light comes back right after a correct reset, or if you notice engine performance changes, schedule a diagnostic rather than guessing. Share any maintenance records with the mechanic to speed up diagnosis. A quick professional check can prevent bigger repairs later and keep your car reliable, so don't delay when warning signs persist or you feel unsure.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.